King of Art. And then
the next day.
How many years? Shine your eye, where? Look your back, where? You guys, shine your eye, where? Look your back, where? I'm coming back to tell you why I'm singing this song. You know how much the medication, first of all, you go buy for the medication to treat yourself. And this one say she don't even know that she carry the HIV.
Why you saying treat yourself? Is it treated? It's not treated. It's not treated.
There's a drug that you can take to suppress it now.
But it's not treated. You're taking it to suppress it.
To suppress
from killing you faster.
She go join NSPPD. Fire altar. Go fire the disease out. You say no need to join NSPPD. If you like, you know, hold your ear and hold God tight.
Why she just hammer go now? She live in the mountains. And you're passing for herself. So better me she just go sleep. Sleep how
this one don't know what to talk. Who no like life?
see this one.
As you balance like this now, one even chop vegetable with fish and this thing. Who no like life? And they go at the Onion house yesterday. After the interview and finish, they make rice sauce, white rice, beans, plantain. She called it at the Onion. Say, let her go and make her head that she wants to go and resume. She wants to resume. And so I can tell her, say, anybody when they come my house, especially to come take care of my children, you go do test first. So come carry her go test. Come tell her, say if her test come out okay, she could go what is the corner, go pack her things, then maybe come resume for house and all. It look test come out HIV positive. Young girl, 22, I be 23. Yes. Every time they go ask, hey, my boyfriend. Not to say that it's not only it's true sexual this thing. There are other ways you can contact it as well. But you guys have to shine your eye, protect yourself.
The sickness
Protect yourself.
The sickness really. The place where I do my IT now. We get one girl and bring her IP. She 25, right? I be 24. Hepatitis B.
Hepatitis B.
That one, you know the same way you are in our blood, only sweats. Now that one, the rain.
You have to be careful. Carry yourself as with dignity as a woman.
She cried. Say if you get injection, we will give her, maybe she just died.
No.
My doctor go tell her, say no, go your house.
And some parents too, they know they won't help. They go their village, they pressure money. They don't know how to get they survive for where she did. Anyways, guys, good morning. It's such an exciting vlog. I'm expecting the most amazing August visitor. Hey, I am geared up, I am pumped up, I am excited, I am very excited. Hey, I'm just keeping tabs, you know, when the person lands. I'm keeping tabs. So flight is supposed to take off for 8:45. Patricia, let me close the door. The flight is supposed to take off for 8:45, but I need to find out, because as at the last time I spoke with the August visitor, right, the person was still at the airport. But anyways, guys, I'm super excited. I was just here gisting my girls. So yesterday, right, you know, Aunt is looking to replace one of her girls, right? And yesterday, what they call it, like, we rallied around and we were able to get someone very young, pretty, fine girl, energetic, ready to do the work, you know, very excited to do the work and all. She says she's worked in a lounge and, you know, she's taking care of children here and there and whatnot and all, you know, because of how sharp, smart she was, like during the interview and all. And Onyi then said that no problem, you know, she took liking to her. So she was really ready to start the work and say, okay, let her go home, go and loosen her hair, make cornrows, like make all back so she can be able to start work and all. And Onyi then said, of course now, it's gone are the days. In our parents' time, you want to employ someone, you just say, hey, come back and come and live with me. No. This our own generation. You will go through all series of tests, even deliverance safe, you will go. Peace why they laugh. Even deliverance, you go because make first know what things they happen. Now carry that for test and told her that if her test comes out okay, she will go and pack her things and they'll give her a day to resume. So she had left Auntie Onyi like after the hospital. So Auntie Onyi was going somewhere else. Onyi Peperenzi and my friend was going somewhere else and then received the result as an email on her phone. Baby girl is HIV positive. And you know, and Onyi was saying that when she even asked her, oh, has a boyfriend, this one, that one, kiniko. I'm not oblivious to the fact that, you know, this can be transmitted through a lot of various means. I mean, sharp needles, razor, just different things, right? It can be transmitted through all of these things. But paramountly, I'm just saying, right, shine your eye where as a young girl, you have a whole life ahead of you, to be very honest with you. You have your whole life ahead of you. You have to be. And you know, a lot of people will just say, oh, pregnancy. It doesn't just end in pregnancy. There are diseases that you will carry that it will damage your female reproductive organs, that will shorten your lifespan and all. Shine your eye. I mean, can't just meet a random person, and I will not really even say random person. Maybe you are living in the same kind of suffering environment is not neat, it's not clean, it's not this thing, and you don't even know where the person has been. You don't know where the person has put the person what they call it, jingolo. You don't know where the person has put the person's jingolo. You don't know. You just carry yourself open, bare, unprotected, and just pregnancy is the least of the problem. There are other things, other diseases that you can contact. They dance so peace. They follow the dance. No, they dance, they catwalk. They catwalk. Is the list of the what they call it. Right, my heart just goes out to her because yesterday when Auntie Onyi told her the way she was wailing and crying, and you know, of course, I mean, Auntie Onyi will have to choose herself and her children first. She would have to choose herself and her children, because I can't bring you into my home to say, oh, because you're looking for work and you need the money, to now come and be taking care of my young children. Add more to the onions. To come and be taking care of my young children when, you know, what they call it, she was just crying, wailing and all. When you just had to even send her money because she took liking to her, how smart she was and all. But I'm just saying, like, you know, whichever means she got it, right? I'm not speaking about other means right now. Also, I'm speaking about sexual means. Please be very careful and protective of yourself, especially as a young girl. See, when you sit back and realize that there's nothing that you are truly going to miss. There's nothing that you are truly going to miss. The sex, when you are stealing it, it's so sweet. Hey, it's so sweet. When you are stealing food to chop food, when you are stealing meat to chop meat, when you are stealing kanda bama to chop bama, it's so sweet. Oh, this bama is well spiced. This meat is well spiced. When you dey thief am, dey chop am, it dey sweet. When you get am full pot for inside your house, when you pack the food full pot for inside your house, you know they sweet to chop. You go even they call that make they can't chop with you. You know they sweet to chop. You go tire. You go chop them. You go tire. There's nothing you are actually missing out on, right? So I know that there are other means, and I'm not saying that it's the only means that she must have contracted this and all. But this is a sound warning, right? The people that are around me as well, it's sound warning. Please be very careful. Carry yourself with dignity. Protect yourself. I mean, protect yourself. They always say, oh, raw is sweeter. Raw is sweeter. Hey, the other things when they come with raw, Go carry am for your head. It go heavy for you. You go big pass this my nose. It go big pass this my nose. Anyways, let me get to cooking. Carton of chicken came for me and fish, and I'm trying to make sauce this morning because of my August visitor. Super excited, super excited. Let's just get to what they call it, all we have to do in this vlog, and I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon, guys. Woo! I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon, guys. What yesterday? 115 with a beg, please save for me. I was even walking away. The woman did not even bother to even call me back. I said, baby, I go carry the pawpaw, they come back. With a beg. Hey, with a beg, pawpaw. My girl is even asking me, is it the 215? 115. One pawpaw, 15. One pawpaw, one pawpawlina, 15. So I want to season this one and fry it. And then I'll keep this one inside the fridge. Then I got a carton of chicken as well. This carton of chicken was 46,500. I'll also go and get what they call it, live chicken for my husband. But I'm planning to go to the market, but we're just trying to restock for the month. You guys know how we do it, so expect a market vlog pretty soon. But I'm just trying to restock for the month. Let me just get straight into cooking. My August Peter has called me that the person is at the cargo section at the airport, MM2, so they're going to go and get my parcel. I'm gonna see you guys. I'm super pumped this Saturday. Yesterday night, my husband and I, we went out with Unpacking, her husband, and our other family friend as well. So there was a lot of platter, catfish. Lagos entertainment is on to the next level. Let me even put here, there was one fire belly dancer that carried fire and was just woo, shake it, girl, shake it. So I want to add this fish to the fish we are frying to make the sauce. So I want to just debone it because my children are going to eat from it. So this is barbecue fish. My children are going to eat from it. So I just want to just debone it now. So there is even suya. But yeah, this is it. I'm adding it to the
Kaima, mommy. Want to share with Kaima?
What do you want to share with Kaima?
Share with Kaima.
Want share the scary? Oh yeah, take one. I thought you said want to share with Kaima. Yeah? Go. Go and give Kaima this one.
Mama, what's this banana?
Which banana? Plantain, Joe.
Banana.
Grandma is downstairs. Come on. Hold on. Grandma. Wow! Grandma just came back from London! Woo! You guys! Grandma is here! Mommy, what do you do for your flies? Oh, snacks! Woo! I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm going to pick up another vlog. It is time for unboxing. The children are so excited to see Grandma. I am excited to see Grandma. We're about to enter into this food. I'll speak to you guys in the next vlog. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one. Grandma is in town. And my, what do you call it, Ember just started because the streets are calling me. And I'm answering the streets. Woo!